The number of coronavirus cases continued to surge in the United States, but investors seem to have shaken off the virus worries, rather focusing on better than expected U.S. unemployment numbers. The battle between the COVID-19 drag and improving economic conditions continues. We remain in the market in which nearly all news is viewed through a positive lens. June employment data came in stronger than forecast. The U.S. unemployment rate fell to 11.1% as the economy added a record 4.8 million jobs in June. The U.S. financial markets were closed on Friday for the observance of Independence Day. For the holiday-shortened week, the S&P 500 gained 4%, closing at 3,130.01 on Thursday. However, after 2 months of rampant growth, the U.S. economy is still down by nearly 14.7 million jobs since February. Although the unemployment rate has come down from 14.7% in April, it remains higher than at any time since the Great Recession. Meanwhile, the Dow finished at 25,827.36 on Thursday, posting a 3.3% gain for the week. It was the Dow and S&P's biggest weekly gain since June 5th. In the meantime, the NASDAQ Composite posted its best weekly performance since May 8, hitting a record high and climbing by a half percentage point to end at 10,207.63 on Thursday. The tech-heavy index jumped by 4.6% for the past week. Among gainers, Microsoft and Apple stock continue to thrive. Thanks to the Fed's monetary policy and significant outperformance by the tech sector, shares of MSFT and AAPL have moved to new all-time highs. The technology company's shares rose by 0.7% on Thursday to end at 206.26. From the previous week's close, Microsoft stock gained 5.6%. According to analysts, at the end of the last week, MSFT shares were almost 57% above the March low after making a new record high. The move from a low of $132.52 has been a one-way street to the upside. Coronavirus has presented a challenge for many companies across all businesses. When it comes to MSFT, the virus may have increased its value. Meanwhile, travel-related names, including airlines, were mixed. Shares of American Airlines Group fell by 2.42% on Thursday to end at $12.50. Monday's jump in price by almost 8% did not help it to prevent a slight 0.9% loss for the past week. American Airlines on Thursday told staff it has more than 20,000 employees it doesn't need for its reduced fall schedule, as the carrier and its competitors face weak demand for air travel during the coronavirus pandemic. U.S. carriers are prohibited from laying off or cutting the pay rates of their staff through September 30 under the terms of $25 billion in government payroll support aimed at softening the impact of the virus on their businesses. American expects international travel demand will stay muted into next year. Earlier last week, it said its long-haul international schedule in summer 2021 would be down by 25% from what it offered in the 2019 season. You've watched Weekly Financial Review on InstaTV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Stay tuned.